This officer from Antipolo City Police is now with the Maute Group. He wasn't taken or forced by the terrorists. He voluntarily joined them.
Masama man sabihin, isang pulis na naman, na galing Luzon, na-identify natin siya. Kasama siya ng Maute. Nakaiwan din siya ng mga IDs niya. Kaya papaimbestigahan pa natin din itong pulis na to.
PNP Drug Enforcement Group Mindanao Chief William Santos refuses to divulge the identity of the police officer. But Santos says the officer might have been the colleague of jailed police officer Jesse Vincent Original. Original is among the suspected terrorists allegedly responsible for the bombing of a night market in Davao City in September 2016.
Nung kinausap ko si Original, during that time, during his arrest, sinabi niya sa akin na may isa pa siyang kasamang pulis. Hindi niya lang pinangalanan yung pulis na yun.
Police say the unidentified police officer might have also been involved in supplying illegal drugs to the Maute rebels. On Saturday morning, the police discovered various drug paraphernalia inside the mosque in the main battle area. Santos says the Mautes are using the mosque as a safe haven where they are also sniffing the meth.
Kasi sino ba naman na mag-iisip na doon sa loob ng masjid, hindi na nirespeto, sinasabi nila na Islam sila, pero doon ginagamit nila yun as a pot session. Doon sila nagpa-pot session.
The mosque is now abandoned, which they say is a sign that the terrorists are retreating to the edge of Marawi. From Marawi City, Rex Remitio, CNN, Philippines.